There are three kinds of nude beaches in Tuscany that you should know about. The officially signed ones, the ones that include long wild walks, and the beaches with quiet corners. We spend days traveling along this coast, and today I will show you the best places to get naked. In this video, I will take you to some amazing places like the lakeside stretch at Macchiatonda and to the wide open sand of Lecciona. Make sure to stick around until the end to see the lovely Marina di Alberese nude beach. But let's start with the most famous one at the Tuscan coast. Nido del Akila near San Vincenzo has official signs, and that makes life simple. You park by the main road for about €1.5 per hour. Then follow the forest paths toward the sounds of the sea. Blue dots on the trees can be some help, but every trail leads to the beach eventually. This nude section sits between two clothed sections. So if you do not want bathing suits right next to you, pick a place in the middle. There are no facilities on the beach, so bring your own shade, water, and whatever you need. This counts for most beaches in this overview, by the way, but not all of them. For a beach day with a drink nearby, Makia Tunda is a great call. It sits by Lago di Burano and has both roadside and small paid parking. A short trail leads you to the coast. Facing the sea, you turn left, pass a couple of beach bars and just keep walking. Those bars have the only showers and toilets on the beach. This is not an official nude area, so the line between the bathing suits and the birthday suits is soft. But the further you go, the more you'll find that most are naked. The sand is dark here and gets hot, so bring something for your feet. There is driftwood everywhere, and regulars build simple shelters. If you are in the area, Marina de Bibona is a possibility as well, but not one we recommend much. The crowd is very male-dominant, and given the activity in the bushes, not everyone is there to sunbathe. If you want a calmer feel and avoid seeing things you'd rather not, pick a spot close to the waterline. When you arrive from the parking lot, turn left facing the sea and you will end up at the clothes-free zone eventually. Lecciona Beach between Via Recchio and Torre del Lago is one of the most beautiful stretches in Tuscany, with mountains in the backdrop. There is plenty of paid parking along the coast road, and a short dune path brings you to a busy free beach. Go left and walk until you spot the first naked people. Here too, expect a very male crowd overall. You can still have a relaxed clothes-free day if you walk a bit away from the start and let the crowd thin out as you wander further. Tuscany also has a few spots that have become nude beaches just because they are so wide and desolate. Spia de Marz, for example, is basically the quiet end of the Grosseto beach. Do not park in town, or you will be walking forever along the service road. Use a forest parking instead, and then stroll 10 minutes through the pines. When you reach the beach, turn away from the busiest spots and any beach bar or sunbed zones. You will find long empty sections where getting naked is easy because there are so few people. Finiglia Beach is a 6-kilometer stretch that links the mainland to Monte Argentario. It sits inside a nature reserve and feels very remote. Limited parking near Ansedonia brings you close to the beach, but the smarter option is to rent a bicycle and cycle through the woods. The beach is wide with lots of driftwood. Going naked is possible away from the busy access points. The ride or the walk through the forest is half the fun. Before we head to my favorite nude beach in Tuscany, a quick note on Punta Corvo near Monte Marcello. It's not famous as a nude beach, but the remoteness means people do get naked here. Unfortunately, at the moment, the walking trail is closed for rock slides. When the trail reopens, it becomes a classic hike and skinny dip destination. Let's move on to Marina di Alberese inside Parco della Marema. This is the kind of beach that gives you space and a solid chance for a nude day. Come early to find a parking spot right by the coast. If you're too late, there is some roadside parking as well. Facing the sea, turn left and start walking. There are no signs, and the edge of the nude area shifts with how many people show up. But the further you go, the calmer it gets. The beach goes on with a wild feel, and you will see driftwood huts made by previous visitors. This is a place where you can spend hours without thinking about swimsuits at all. To wrap it all up, if you want a sure thing, go for Nido del Akila or plan for a day at Marina di Alberese. For that quiet, wild Tuscan feel with plenty of space, head over to Finiglia beach or Spia de Marz and get that feeling that you're the only person in Italy. And if you want some action in the dunes, no, just kidding. Please don't do that. It's disturbing. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you want more clothes-free travel ideas around Italy and beyond.